Insulated shipping kits. Use with your products that present temperature constraints. Cartons are printed with rush, perishable and this side-up artwork. The two-piece foam container design with a tight-fitting lid keeps items fresh. Cold packs. Keep perishables at a constant and desirable temperature for days. Use moisture-safe film pouches to reduce condensation during humid conditions. Deluxe insulated box liners. Quickly convert a stock box into a thermal insulated shipper. Use with cold packs for ultimate temperature control. Cool stuff mailers provide superior, longer-term, thermal-safe protection. Use with chocolates, cheese and other refrigerated or frozen products. Top reviews from the United States. Does the job, no leaks. I ship body butters year-round, and use these in the spring and fall to keep my products intact. Even with my articular insulation method, this size won't stay frozen in the summer. I use the 8 ounces in the summer. But these are a very convenient size for extra peace of mind in the 70-degree seasons. They don't add enough weight to bump me up to priority mail. I've gone through a case of these, 100-ish, and had no leaks or defects.